Welcome to Max class. In this video, I am going to explain year, leap year, and how can we identify the leap year in the chapter measurements. A year is the time taken by the earth to make one revolution around the sun. A year has 12 months or 365 days. Each month is divided into weeks. A month has 4 weeks and a few more days. A week is of 7 days. A month has 30 or 31 days except February. February has 28 or 29 days. Leap year. We know that the earth revolves around the sun as well as rotates to itself. The earth takes 365 days, 6 hours to make a complete revolution around the sun. We take 365 days as 1 year. To adjust 6 hours each year, we add 1 day to every 4th year. 4 years into 6 hours equal to 24 days, which is equal to 1 day. Every 4th year, 365 plus 1 day equal to 366 days. And 1 day is added to the month of February. Therefore, a year which has 366 days is called a leap year. In a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. Leap means jumping from one point to another point. Generally, a year which is divisible by 4 is considered as a leap year. For example, 2060 is a leap year because 2016 is exactly divisible by 4. For example, 2018 is not divisible by 4 exactly and it leaves remainder, so it is not a leap year. In centuries, years which are multiples of 100 are centuries, such as 1100, 1200, 1300, etc., 2000, 2100, etc. The century which is divisible by 400 is a leap year. For example, 1200 is divisible by 400 and so it is a leap year. 1700 is not divisible by 400 and so it is not a leap year. Now I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 2.2. Question number 10. Manikam joined a chess class on 20/2/2017 and due to exam he left practice after 20 days. Again he continued practice from 10/7/2017 to 31/3/2018. Calculate how many days did he practice. From the date of joining equal to 21 days from 10/7/2017 to 31/3/2018. July 22 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days, January 31 days, February 28 days, and March 31 days. Total number of days equal to 265. So total number of practice days equal to 265 plus 20 equal to 285 days. Question number 12. Find the number of days between the Republic Day and Kalvi Valarchi Day in 2020. 2020 is a leap year. So February has 29 days. Republic Day 26/1/2020. Kalvi Valarchi Day equal to 15/7/2020. January 5 days, February 29 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 14 days. Total number of days are 170 days. Question number 30. If 11th January 2018 is Thursday, what is the day on 20th July of the same year? January 21 days, that is 31 minus 10, we get 21 days. February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 19 days. Total number of days equal to 190 days. So 190 days is divided by number of days in a week, 7. So 190 days divided by 7, we get 27 weeks plus 1 day. The required day is the first day after Thursday. So therefore 20th of July is Friday. Question number 14. Subdivision 1. Convert 480 days into years. Days, conversion of days into years by dividing 365. So 480 days equal to 480 divided by 365 equal to 1 year 115 days. So 1 year 115 days equal to 3 months 25 days. So 480 days which is equal to 1 year 3 months 25 days. Subdivision 2. Convert 38 months into years. So conversion of months into years by dividing 12. 38 months equal to 38 by 12. So we get 3 years 2 months. So 38 months equal to 3 years 2 months. Students, I hope you have understood the problems given in exercise 2.2. Thank you.